Hello, this is a quick video to show how to add keyframe in Blender for animation. This is default scene in Blender. I will use this default group to add keyframe for setting animation. To set the animation, make sure that we select the object and go to timeline. We can use left click to adjust the time frame. I will move it to 1, and then we can move the cursor and right click. In this panel, we can find the insert keyframe here, or we can use shortcut I to insert the keyframe. I will press the shortcut I, so we can have the insert keyframe menu. We can choose location, rotation, and scale. I will choose location, rotation, and scale all together in this example. Click it. We can find the orange dot in the timeline. It means the keyframe is added. So we can move to next frame. I go to frame 100, and then we can change the value in location, in rotation, and scale. Actually, we can use the move tool to move it, and rotate tool to rotate, and scale tool to scale it. So if you want to set the keyframe in 100, we can press the dots next to the location, or we can right click to insert keyframe here, or we can press I in the viewport and choose location, rotation, and scale all together. So the second keyframe is set. If we go to the first frame and play the preview, we can have the animation. I stop it here. So this is how we can add keyframe for location, rotation, and scale. Actually, we can add the keyframe for the modifier. For example, I go to modifier properties and add a modifier. I will go to generate and choose bevel modifier. So we can have the bevel edge. I will tune it to 0 and click it to set the keyframe in the frame 100 and go to frame 200. I will adjust the value, and then we can set the keyframe here, or we can right click to insert the keyframe here. So we can have the animation for changing the edge. So if we change our mind, we can adjust the value again and then right click to replace the keyframe. Then the bevel edge is updated. And then I go to the last frame and I will set it back to 0 and I set the keyframe here. And then we can copy and paste the location, rotation, and scale keyframe to last frame so we can play the preview. This is how we can add keyframe in Blender for animation. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.